welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has been widely debated in the manufacturing industry. Are CNC machines a sign of the times? Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. CNC, or computer numerical control, machines are computer-controlled machines that are used to create precision parts. They can be programmed to cut, drill, and mill a wide variety of materials with extreme precision. CNC machines have been around for decades, but their popularity has grown significantly in recent years. On one hand, CNC machines are a sign of progress in the manufacturing industry. They have greatly increased efficiency and precision, and have allowed manufacturers to produce high-quality parts at a faster pace. They also allow for greater automation, which can lead to cost savings and increased productivity. On the other hand, some argue that CNC machines are a sign of the times in a negative way. They have led to job loss in the manufacturing industry, as machines are able to do the work of human workers. Additionally, the cost of CNC machines can be prohibitive for small businesses, making it difficult for them to compete with larger companies. However, it's also important to note that CNC machines have also created jobs in the form of CNC machinists, CNC programmers, and CNC maintenance personnel. And some argue that the job losses caused by CNC machines are a natural result of technological advancements, and that the benefits of CNC machines ultimately outweigh the costs. In conclusion, CNC machines are a sign of the times in both positive and negative ways. They have greatly increased efficiency and precision in the manufacturing industry, but have also led to job loss. It's important for manufacturers to weigh the pros and cons of CNC machines and determine if they are the right fit for their business. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos.